Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Welcome to the Hisui region. To begin your adventure, use the left joystick to move your character around the world. If you need to travel faster, simply press the B button to dash across the terrain. When you see an exclamation mark or a prompt, press the A button to interact with people or objects. Your ARC phone, accessed by pressing the up directional button, is your essential tool for checking your map and tracking your progress through various missions. It's a truly expansive world to explore. Catching Pokémon in Hisui is a unique experience. To increase your chances, approach wild Pokémon quietly by holding down the B button to crouch. Once you are close, aim your Pokéball with the ZL button and then throw it using the R button. Sometimes, throwing a berry can distract a Pokémon, giving you a better opportunity. For more formidable foes, throw one of your own Pokémon near them to initiate a battle, which can also lead to a successful capture. Battles in Pokémon Legends Arceus are dynamic and strategic. To start, simply throw one of your Pokémon near a wild Pokémon or a trainer. During battle, use the directional buttons to select from your Pokémon's moves or use an item. You can choose between Agile style for faster turns or Strong style to deliver more powerful attacks. Every victory earns your Pokémon experience points, helping them level up and become more formidable companions on your journey. Exploration and crafting are key to your success in Hisui. As you travel, gather resources such as apricorns and tumblestones, which are vital for crafting. You can create new items at a crafting bench, found in Jubilife Village or at any of the camps you establish. Completing research tasks for your Pokédex will raise your star rank, granting you access to new areas. Be sure to explore all the diverse biomes, from the Obsidian Fieldlands to the Alabaster Icelands, for hidden discoveries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.